Breaking news. There's a bat loose. Where's that bat? Just saw him. Where is he? Where's that bat? Oh, there he is. Yeah. Like, if that bat was to show up, like, yeah, y'all can see him. See that dot? No, that's just a dragonfly. Well, there's a spider right up there. Not up on my roof. It's like there. And I saw him moving there. Y'all barely can see him. But I'm collecting some fireflies. I don't think y'all can see them, but I don't guess. But my hand stings from doing it. It's late to me. It's like 7. If you're like at Smith Station somewhere, if you're go to like East Smith Station, tell Desiree Stone that you cannot win no crowns. Honey Boo Boo. It's like, no Honey Boo Boo. Just, I can't cut that out. Can't cut anything out. Yeah, I can see that bat. Y'all see him? Yeah, I can see 2 bats. And I hate bats. They're dumb. Well, nah. Took some cars going by. But remember that day when we had those tornadoes? Well, I live on Sand Hill Road. I live on that road. Look at my house. It's not destroyed. Because it didn't hit Sand Hill Road. It was near Sand Hill Road. Let me see my neighbor's house. Dun, dun, dun. My camera sucks. It's real bad. I wish I had a better camera. Instead of a sucky old iPhone camera. iPhone 2 camera. I don't know why they bought me it. It's too dark. Oh, it's dark. Oh yeah. I called the number 666. And I heard him. I heard someone talking. It was like, wah, 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 wah. And I was like, holy crap. And I said, ah! And everybody just went crazy. Like, and my house started shaking. And I saw these people out there. They're there. They're right there. And I saw a fat flying dude in the sky. You know how I felt? I felt awesome. You know, my car's not that dark. It looks like a piece of crap. It's not that dark. You know, it's black, but it's actually kind of brownish. This sucks. Looks like my neighbor's getting attacked. You might, never mind the video and all that. Yeah. No. I'm not tall. I don't hear him knocking. That's kind of creepy. And then also he's a hoarder. She hoards. And also this gun feels good. And that was not safe thing to do. Let's see that big. That's actually okay. That was a sucky photo. Okay, in real life. Only reason I keep zooming it up and down, they got to tell y'all to notice it. Like, that firework right there. That's that firework. I'm going back inside. To make the house lighter, but there's nothing to make it light. Oh yeah, my other video with that music, I hate that. Well,